Hey guys, what's up? My name's Eric and I'm the Techy agent, and we're here at the Omron booth specifically because Omron offers the only wearable watch that has a built-in blood pressure cuff. And so what can you tell us about this, Carol?
Well, I am so thrilled that you came by to see us because there's been so much buzz around our HeartGuide wearable blood pressure monitor, like you said, at the show. It's sneakily disguised as a smartwatch, but it is a Class 2, or it will be, Class 2 cleared medical device through the FDA. So first and foremost, it is a blood pressure monitor. We're going for zero here at Omron. We want to eliminate heart attacks and strokes. The best way to do that is to make taking your blood pressure super easy and super convenient. And we want people to share that information with their physicians and start that dialogue about heart health, really important. So it is using oscillometric technology, so it's just like an upper arm blood pressure monitor that you might be familiar with by going to your regular physician anyway. So it's actually inflates on the inside of the band. It's literally a one button start. I'm going to hold it up to my at heart level so I get a super accurate reading. And as it inflates, I can feel a little bit of pressure, just like you would at the doctor's office on an upper arm monitor. But I will show you some of the screens here that are going to show you my blood pressure and my pulse. We're also tracking activity because we know that's really important to people, as well as sleep. But then some of the same features that are built into smartwatches today, we're going to bring those notifications about email, text messages, and a missed phone call. Okay. So really want to make it easy for people to use and have that great dialogue with their physicians.
Okay, now that's great. Now, when will this be available and what will be the cost?
We're aiming for later this year, and it's going to be priced comparable to other wearables in the market. So it's going to be south of the price that you see for an Apple Watch today. So we're looking at we're hoping to be a little bit less than the $400 range.
Okay, great. Now, will this have a companion app that stores all of that data?
Oh, you bet. Omron Connect is actually launching next month. February is Heart Health Month in the U.S., and with the launch of that app, or the revitalization of that app, you're going to be able to track, store, and share that data. Because blood pressure is just a moment in time. Seeing those trends over time, we've got physicians who tell us all the time, you know, if I just see someone come into my office, I get one measurement. I don't know what they did before, after, during, and really important for people to show those trends and provide a lot more data points. So Omron Connect is going to be able to do that with the doctors.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Now, beyond step counting and sleep tracking, this won't really have any other activity tracking. It certainly doesn't have a built-in active heart rate sensor, so this will be limited in what kinds of activities it can track. But in terms of tracking your blood pressure, this would be a first, and it would kind of force the competitors to maybe consider incorporating this kind of technology into their bands as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Eric, and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.